Hello everybody, welcome back. C-Ray Tech here. So today I'm going to be checking out the Frsky X-lite. So I've got my model set up. It's the same processes and many of the other Taranis out there. One thing I'll go over really quick for you is to adjust throttle tension and spring back. What you'll need to do is insert your long screw on the inside here and your short screw here, and you make your adjustments until your stick feels right for your throttle. Another thing too, to get through the menus, this is your back button, and then here if you long press in any direction you'll be able to access your menus. So for instance, if we hold towards the right, that'll get into our menu here. And we can just back out of that. So once you have those two things set up and you got your model all created, you should be good to go. If you guys have any questions on model creation or anything else involving the X-lite, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. But I'm going to go ahead and putz around the yard for a little bit, see how this feels. Thinking that it should be pretty good. I know the gimbals felt a little sensitive, but I think that'll be okay. So go ahead and pan down so you guys can see some stick cam here, and then I'll go ahead and overlay the DVR. So yeah, let's check this out. So yeah, like I said, it feels kind of sensitive, but I'm just flying in stability right now, just to get a feel for it. But yeah, it feels pretty good. It's really light. So it feels a lot different than when I've been playing around with my QX7 for so long. It's kind of a bulky transmitter, but this thing is light and small. Let's go ahead and come in for a landing, switch over to acro mode. I will say that these switches are kind of weird to get used to, but not too bad. There we go, now we're in acro. Oh yeah, this feels really good for acro. So yeah, it feels pretty good. I will say that I'm pretty impressed so far. I know that there was some reports of range issues. I don't seem to have any. Telemetry worked just fine. Like I said, the only thing that I needed to do was make sure I had the right batteries. So I got my 18500s, and I believe those are still available on Amazon. You can get those really cheap. Plus you can even get them with a charger and everything. So, oh, didn't record the DVR. That's okay, it was nothing spectacular. But, yeah, I will say I'm very impressed with this transmitter. I love the case that it comes in. It feels great in hands. I love this rubberized grip. Like I said, the switches are, for me, they're so nubby. I think it'd just take me a minute. I'd probably get pretty used to them, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to be able to get this out in the field and fly it a little bit more. But let me know what you guys think, anybody who's got it right now, and anybody who's interested. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to leave me a comment. But that's going to be all for me today. So as always, guys, fly safe and fly often.